Hey guys, today I'm gonna review Revolut versus Wise, which is better. If you're looking for the best international banking and money transfer solution, today we're comparing two of the most popular options, Revolut and Wise, to help you decide which one is right for you. Let's start with Revolut. This feature-packed digital bank isn't just about sending money abroad. With Revolut, you get multi-currency accounts, built-in budgeting tools, and even crypto trading capabilities. Plus, it offers premium perks like cashback rewards and airport lounge access, making it an excellent choice if you want an all-in-one financial app that goes beyond the basics. Now, let's take a look at Wise. It specializes in low-cost international money transfers. Wise stands out for its transparent fees and real exchange rates with no hidden charges. It's ideal for freelancers, travelers, and businesses that need affordable and reliable currency exchange solution. So, which one is better for your needs? If you're after a comprehensive banking experience with extra benefits, Revolut might be your pick. But if you prioritize cost-effective, straightforward international transfers, Wise could be the better option. Let me know in the comment section below which app suits you the best. And don't forget to subscribe for more fintech reviews and tutorials.